Intel just reported earnings and it is being crushed right now. I am not even kidding. This is less than 4 hours ago after they reported earnings and they're down over 12%. I did a whole live stream and it didn't even go down this much while we were covering it live. So what happened? Well, first of all, on the earnings front, it was amazing. It was incredible. I actually was very surprised that the fact that they had a growth of 2% on the client computing, the fact that they had 49% growth in data center. This is basically owned by AMD and Nvidia. The fact that they can take a little bit of market share from them is pretty impressive. So I was impressed with this one. I found the foundry growth to be very, very disappointing. Only 0.1%. You've been given money by the US government to basically fix this and you haven't done your job. So that was very disappointing. But that's not why the stock is down. It's because of weak guidance. Basically anything bad you can say about the future, Intel pretty much said it on this earnings call. They're saying even though they have so much business, that business isn't that profitable. So margin pressure right there. Then they go, we have supply constraint, meaning we just don't have the people to actually build the stuff that we need to be built. And the icing on top of all of this, their foundry business still continues to lose and they refuse to invest more in the foundry business until they actually have a massive client or a OpenAI type of deal in the works where they'll know they get the money. Right now, they don't have any of that. In my personal opinion, this business is an absolute escape. There's so much uncertainty and there's so many better opportunities out that actually have a clear pathway to success that you risking your money and putting it in this business doesn't make sense. I said the same thing about Intel when it was at 25. I was like, the risk doesn't make sense to me. You can find better opportunities. I actually ended up using that money to buy into Google. I am up 2x from that position. I feel the same way even today with the Intel stock. Even though based off current metric, this is an absolute overkill, I still don't think the risk is worth the reward. I like and follow. I'm going to post a full-length 13-minute analysis of Intel on my YouTube tonight. So come back tomorrow and check that out. It'll be on the page. It's at CommonInvestor.net001. That is like the hashtag name or whatever the crap they're doing now. And if you want access to exclusive content or a 30-minute analysis, go check out my Patreon. You'll also get access to premium version of CommonInvestor.net.